like tell us anything else about it that we didn't mention before, like the wires? Yeah,
Oh yes. Okay.
yeah.
So yeah, everything in this is found. So like I said, except the only thing that wasn't recycled is the wires. So there was like a thicker gauge or gauge. I don't even know how to pronounce it. But there's a thicker
Yeah,
wire that's kind of a frame, and then there's a thinner wire that gave like the 3D structure. I think you see it better from the back, but you know, like
yeah,
the 3D structure, like the skeleton is from these thinner wires. It's just wrapped around in the horizontal and vertical axis, and that's how I made the frame. But after that, I mean, the fabric that I glued, it was from reused fabric. The wires on this side is actually from a USB cable that was broken that I had stripped, and I didn't realize that there were like 4 little wires in it. I'm like, oh, I didn't realize this wire is actually 4 little wires. So here you
yeah.
go, and I just use that, and like I said, the tubing from the CPAP with the basically 2 of the thicker wires going through it for structure, and a chopstick is actually in here for the base.
Wow. Yeah.
Just to
No,
stick it. But this
that
is actually, yeah, and epoxy putty, which is what's sticking the bottom. But it's just, this is the part that I feel is probably a bit weaker, so I don't know if I'll reinforce it a little bit or something.
yeah. Okay.
For now it stands. And this is
Yeah.
the light box from our broken ceiling light that generously offered this. So I'm very glad it's also environmentally friendly.
Yeah. Yeah. No, that's really good. Okay.